When visiting multiple gardens, in my opinion, the number 1 rule of etiquette would be a complete change of clothes, including shoes. Ideally, we should not be infecting other people's gardens. And if we come from one garden into another garden in the same clothes that we are wearing in the first garden, there's a good chance that we are going to bring some sort of disease, pathogen, or pest into that person's garden. And this is really not good etiquette. The best thing would be if we could actually give a day in between visiting those gardens. And otherwise, it would be nice if there was a change room in the very least upon which someone could put on a sterile outfit. We should really brush our hair. We don't want to bring any diseases or pests in on our hair. We have to think that we are entering an environment that we don't want to bring any unwanted influences into, and take all the precautionary steps necessary to not infect someone else's garden with someone else's problem.